Let's see how we can create WhatsApp click to chat URL and add it to our business profile. So let's get started. To do that, you have to come to your search bar and write here Google My Business Profile. Then click here View Profile. Select here Edit Profile. Go to Contact. Click here this chat pencil icon. Click plus Add Chat. Click this drop down menu, select WhatsApp. And now you have to write down this URL here. So you will get it in the video description. Then you have to put your country code, then your mobile number. Okay, that's all. Then you have to click here Save. Okay, here you can see it is pending. Then after reviewing it for 2 to 3 minutes, here you can see my WhatsApp contact is approved.